Kani gade ke Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Public Account Committee, hapo ka jingilam jung chairman uba Charles Pongrop, MLA ka Nongthamai constituency. Henen kasngi ka arpun tri ujiliu, ka lalet Jurip ya ka Surok, Syakitan Mawsynram, nadu ka Shaduh Mawsynram, dangar hadu Ryngku, ka bahak papo katnat PWD Mawsynram Division. Ya kani ka kanhon, la senran langru da kiwei di ki MLA, bakan top yu Zenit Sangma, uba Hima M Shangpliang, uba Nujor ki sungo bat ki officer jong katnat PWD Roads. Bakan top yu uba PR Marwen ubolong secretary katnat PWD, u superintendent engineer uba R Walang bat executive engineer ka PWD Mawsynram Division uba AB Umdor. Ya kani ka jing Jurip yakini ki Surok, lasdang nadu Mawsynram, ha ka jaka ka balakhot ka Maulaidong. Ka Surok ka banet chakasnong lauba, namar bakani ka Surok ka jutwa barbor tang ha ka po Jerusalem. Hadian kani ka kanhon kala Hiar ban Jurip ya ka jingking hariat maunyo ka jingking ka barang pentrai sasa menta ban sna ya ka jingking dobilan nang ta ka Surok ka balasnio harum tolong pleng bat ka Surok ka bapenyakhlat ya ka ranikor bat kasnong balan shushu ki khot ka PAC la letru ban Jurip ya ka Surok na dangar hadu Ryngku bat hangni lala ba ka Surok ka long ka balasnio palat hadu kata-kata ka balasyu isra ya kani Surok nadu usnam karkhandai spa prapusan hadian ba ka Border Road Task Force kabajusna ya ka Surok kabaya kikali jong kisipai BSF kala IT no syak sarkar jilla handai ka ba amsyam la maramat syo hadu menta hakani ka Surok kapot bat ka Bangladesh ki babon ki basang basa hakani ka than kimdai satya ki khasi handai ki babon hi ki de ki nakajai bentriu garo ki Koch ki Bengali hajong bat kiwi de ki jai bentriu shusho ka PSC kala labru ya ki jinge ben jong sarkar ki ni ka than ka bamsyam lala ban snaru ya ki jingkeng hawa kasi mara ka ba penyaso bat ka snong Ryngku kat hadu baki pai ba haka porlior ki ha ban song dikilieng bat kane klabu jing eru wat di kisipai BSF ban pahara hakani gisngi ki pai ba jong than Mawsynram constituency kila ai tiru ya ka dorkhas haka PSC ban karpat ya ka committee bakan le AA no ya kani ka Surok Mawsynram balan hadu Ryngku namar ka jing sniu palan
iwan na kaliang ka PSC ban pe kini ka Surok naduna dangar mo balan Shaduh sini border roads tiada jenis ka jingku jungi belum men cross Shaduh stai Shaduh at modon mo indai ngimlan benar bridge lai dak mala jong tikani kalong ka jing deko minta ki pai ba barok ki bosong sini ki bosong hi barok wei pasako i midem kin mau kini dik strategic route mo kira ka border ni te ki BSF ki wei ru pran kami ni Surok rubenta ka le kawan kita takani ka Surok mudan nei am tahun tagi pai bahkan kita lagi berok jadi imlang salang ke development diminta ngi hapai kuno nak kalian ke PSC gila ban kren ni government dan sanction no ni ke border roads bat ke bridge penyo bukin lechat sha sela kan bodo sela tadi ke main ni
ka ba pila Jurip
por slap ni pas school kan ciliang gawas tu tinda hai pumni ki kena kimla ban school kelas 2 dia salut ke tikar kum ke jing tip jungi bachna ke bridge kam dan ya bun ke jinglu katrai hapo katsan klur laban pindah ke bridge di naka SPV ru naka liang nasha shela shat modon chini Ryngku SPV filaban kam shna bhai tu Surok stu kramba ke tiar katar gilaban ke dang tai ha bat pin position ni bachna ke jingki la daging podio extension bachna ke Surok la dangan aduh ni tadi ka yu ingin habia kan ban tak likam problem reply na try fi reply de kemana jong ngir wilayo i ni pe ba ka ni hub strengthen ni ka mo plang barat aduh selai kan ter nama ndri kan kita ka nang salah buat ya ka i boro sibut jing dunah juga ni ka i jong pe ba
coming we could experience that in the road condition connecting this part of the state with other parts of the state, including the state capital, is very bad, in very bad condition. And we could see that this region needs urgent attention from the government in regards to the road connectivity. So we, as the team from Public Accounts Committee from the Assembly, we made this program just to oversee the situation and the condition of the road infrastructure out here, and definitely we will compile all these reports in the leadership of our chairman, Mr. Charles Fingro, and definitely will move the government. So it's been the effort of the government also, by the successive government, that this entire border, the southern belt of the state, along the international border, permanent road infrastructure be constructed, right from Bakmara to Mayaskola, then Mayaskola to Ranipur to Balat to Shela, so that eventually there can be lots of trade and commerce taking place in this place, and also for the commuters it will be much more easier, from people from even Bakmara, they will rather prefer to travel by this road coming to Shillong rather than coming via Tura. So that is the intention of the leaders of our state in the successive government, and as I have said, that the reports after visiting these roads will make the reports and move the government.
Menchua por kila don ka investigation nang ni ni bang ban kila lek survey kila lek ka DPR ni tai kemud perung na po NLSPR tire klem materialize ka ta scheme ta po timunta nang la wan page ni ka don ka jing don kam tingin haban biang hab move fresh initiative nam ta wan le survey biang le singin page baka biang ne am ta jaka baki le menchua dam you tingin hab le fresh proposal sa pa skoman sa page nang no ka source of funding bagi la bani nomor as of now don't read me source of funding ya ka Surok Mawsynram balati nomor ka long to tingin suchim immediate step mata long ban repair kitu bas ni weswa mata por liur tingin sa move namta sanction namta let's say nomor mata kum ka ngidon ka resources crunch po pasti te imla ban le major renovation tingin sule ban kan bit kan biang kebalik bawan jisang la mud ban le na tu tamang la ya la point no sport election tinggi mai o sanction shoot tinggi mentangi hab fresh biang ta iya kan ke Surok jisang ka dei ka jongga biar chua jongki BRTF ke ki chua tin re din tu tigla marki ndaki ka interest jongki kam don shoot mud kim da kila laj malu malam tu tigi la i no marki don priority shawai pade kila handover 10 di how 85 ti hadin kata tinggi le persang menit source of funding napo naki central agency kam tam nomor naka state tinggi mlale ikat kan ka jinghe tin ring klem le persang na NLSPR tinggi klem yo timun kane kiwan kitugi jaika team tinggi discuss barki kwa tinggi bu list biang barki let's see ko bang sayu tin relong sa persang kadna wa yo lak